Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Lorzor Slim Smart Wallet. So just a heads up, guys, Lorzor did send these out to me to try out. So big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. So guys, I know you're wondering, this is a tech channel, why is he reviewing wallets? Well, this wallet's pretty tech savvy. It's got RFID blocking, and it's got a spot for an AirTag so that you never lose the wallet. So we're gonna open this up, we're gonna see what we get inside, and I'll let you know what I think of it. All right, guys, so this is the box it comes in. We've got a silver stripe going across with some Lorzor branding right there. The back here shows the features of the wallet. And yeah, let's open it up. Very nice packaging though, guys. Looks like it's a recycled material. They put some thought into this. Very nice. Got some Lorzor branding right there, a shield or a crest. That looks pretty sick. And about us. Tells you a little bit about the company. Very cool. This one says carbon fiber, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh, I don't want to show it off yet. So we got this bad boy, Lorzor Premium. What's in here? Look at this, man. This presentation is top notch. See what's in this thing. The packaging is so nice. I don't want to mess it up. Oh, that's a screwdriver. That's for the wallet. Oh, so this could be a gift right here. You got a gift card. You got to whoever you want to give this to. Very nice, but oh, dang. This thing is looking sick, guys. Carbon fiber, it's metal. Nice clip right here. This is what I'm talking about right here, though. Oh, you saw that? Very nice. Makes it super easy to get your cards out. So I currently use this. It's a lot smaller. But yeah, this looks to be a lot slimmer, this new one. But what I really like is this button here. All your cards just pop out and you just pick the one that you need. That's dope. I like that. Check that out. That's dope. I like that. I like that. And it kind of does it in a way so you can see what cards you have. So yeah, the one I have right now, it's manual. You push all your cards out and sift through them. And it works, but a lot of times I gotta like pull everything out if I'm trying to get a card that's in the middle. Like my Costco card, I always have it in the middle because it's something I don't use all the time. And it just takes a little bit more time, but it also, like one time I had to pull everything out and I ended up dropping my cards and it was all a mess. So this thing's pretty dope. So this is pretty dope because it releases it in a stair type way. So you don't have to pull every card out. You can see which one is which, and you can get your cards that way. One thing that I'm a little concerned about is that the button does stick out some from the edge here. So if you put this in your pocket, I don't know. Well, actually, yeah, if you slide this in your pocket, you might accidentally hit the button, but it does take some force. So if you do put it in your pocket, I don't think it's gonna have enough strength to press the button to release the cards. But I mean, it might be something to think about just in case. But yeah, man, this thing looks tough. We've got some Lorzor branding. Very nice. Again, RFID. All right, guys, so my bad. It doesn't look like this one has an AirTag slot. That's my bad. So there's no AirTag slot for this one. I misunderstood them, but they do offer wallets that have an AirTag slot, and fortunately this one does not have it. But the one I'm using now doesn't have it either, and knock on wood, I haven't lost mine or I haven't misplaced it. So hopefully I can continue to not misplace it. But yeah, this thing is a solid design, guys. This clip is, it's got some strength, very nice. And again, all metal construction with some carbon fiber. And yeah, I really like that button right there. Cards just pop out, again, like a stair design, so it's easy to pick which card. This one has 5 right now. You probably fit 6 cards in this thing, but from the factory it's 5. If it's only 5, I'm okay with that. I don't need to put like a ton of cards in here. But yeah, I like that. They did send me a second one. Yeah. So this one is different than that one. This one, guys, look at that. The packaging, guys. Recycled material. And it's top notch the way they have this set up here. Bam. So this one, you get a thank you. I like that. Thank you for supporting small business. Very nice. But yeah, guys, look at this, man. Oh, I don't want to rip it. But bam, a nice brown leather. This one has an AirTag slot. And it's a foldable wallet. It's just your normal wallet. Cool. It's leather. Oh, smells good. So the more you use this, the more it's going to get marked up, and the more it's going to have character, and it's you'll know it's yours. That's dope. So you've got a slot for your bills, for your cards, ID, and again, the slot here for an AirTag. Through here, there's a little slot. AirTag slides in. I don't know if the camera's gonna see that, but it's right there. Slide your AirTag in there, close it up, and you're good to go. So yeah, man, I like this one too. This is like my OG wallet that I used to rock. And yeah, the materials is on point with this, guys. And yeah, I really appreciate Lorzor for sending these out to me. These are some very high quality wallets, guys. Let me see how much these are running. So this wallet right here looks like it's right around 30 bucks, but it's on sale for $22.39. Not bad considering the quality. Yo, this is good. The other wallet isn't even listed yet. I don't see it. I don't see it on their Amazon page. Yeah, guys, I don't see the other wallet. I'll have to find that information and I will put it in the description. But guys, yeah, that's going to be it for this video. These wallets are sick. I'll put some links down when I find the other wallet, but I'll put a link down for this one in case you want to check it out. Yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's very much appreciated. And as always, I'm John at TEMU. I'll see you in the next one.